In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google API key in Cursor AI. If you're wondering how to integrate this crucial component into your Cursor AI settings, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and walk through each step to ensure you have your Google API key successfully set up in just a few minutes. Let's begin by opening Cursor AI. You can launch it just as you would any other application on your computer. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Do you see the gear icon there? This icon represents the settings. Click on it to access the settings menu. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments. Now that we're in the settings, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're interested in today is under Models. Find and click on the Models tab. This section is critical because it's where Cursor AI manages all its integrations and external connections. Next, you need to locate the API Keys section within the Models tab. Once you find this part, go ahead and click it to proceed. Here you can manage your API keys, which act as special licenses that grant access to Google's services through Cursor AI. In the API Keys section, look specifically for the Google API key. It should be listed among other types of keys if you have them. The goal here is to ensure you have the correct key that connects Cursor AI with Google's powerful tools. Now, it's time to paste your Google API key, which you've hopefully retrieved from the Google Cloud Console. If you haven't yet obtained your key, you'll need to do that first by logging into your Google Cloud account and navigating to the API credentials page. Once you have copied the key, return to Cursor AI and paste it into the designated field. This step is crucial as it establishes the link between Cursor AI and the vast functionalities provided by Google. With your key successfully pasted in, there's an important final step to remember. Make sure to toggle on the switch next to the Google API key. This activation is necessary for the key to function because without it, your key remains inactive despite being input. Finally, when you start a new chat or project in Cursor AI, you'll be able to select a Google model. This option reflects successful integration and ensures that your Google API key is operational, allowing you to leverage Google's technology within Cursor AI. And there you have it, a smooth and straightforward way to add your Google API key to Cursor AI. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're set up to take advantage of all the integration capabilities on offer. Thank you for watching and enjoy your enhanced Cursor AI experience.